And people as bustling as ki stop moving the secretariat. See, now they are the best people to make statements with their ministers and they are in touch with their respective vice officer. So probably he must have felt that and he must have really expected that this is not happening. So he has made a statement. So that is finally his prerogative, his view and his उलोवपाचें येता जें आसा ताणें तो स्टेटमेंट केल्लो आसा maybe there's a problem as I just said. Sometimes the bureaucrats also are confused, they don't know what to do, how to go ahead. Because finally we go at the finance, no? कितें कामां जावंक जाय फायनली आमचें कामां जावंक जाय आयज आमी नाल फुडलो कामां फायनली कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर वर्क ऑर्डर दिवन आमचीं कामां फुडें वचपाक जाय तशें तर जायना कितें जातलें पूण डेट इज अ प्रॉब्लम द मिनिस्टर फेसिंग बिकॉज कित्याक आयज लोकांची अपेक्षा भरपूर वाडलेली आसा आमकां लोकांचे फोन येता तांकां कामां जाय दे वॉन्ट डेवलपमेंट नॉट ओनली डेवलपमेंट लॉट ऑफ अदर फॅक्टर्स फ्रॉम अ MLA or from the members from the पंचायत members or councillors today people want action लोकांक एक्शन जाय लोकांक कामाक वचपाक जाय लोकांक एक बरें उतर जाय लोकांक प्रॉपर डेवलपमेंट जाय नॉट इलिगल डेवलपमेंट नाकल्ले लोक आयज सगळे पळयतात करतात पूण केन्ना इलेक्शनाक कोणाक बोडी मारपाची लोक मारलेली आसा आनी दाखयल्लें आसा ओवर द इयर्स इन द कंट्री सो what happened we should not fool with the sentiments of the people today people are very the people of Goa आमचे गोंयकार सेटलेज आर very sure सगळे शिकलेले मनीस ते and they are watching every step every move of each of every MLA of every minister MLA members councillors so we have to be very careful and since Goa is a small place news spread like fire so we have to be very careful and मुझे एक मागणी आसा that we should do good work good development and आमच्या लोकांक आमची फुडली पिढी आमी समोवपाची आमची जबाबदार कित्याक लोकांनी आमकां निवडून हाडला for 5 years and we have to give the best to the people that is my view that's my mouth and that is what I have been following from day one from the time I'm elected although I'm elected for second time with a good margin that is मुझे पद्धत मुझे एक कितें म्हणटा तें मुझे एक आंगण आसा की आमच्या लोकांक आमी समोवपाचें आमच्या महिलांक समोवपाचें very important their protection good development not any फालतू development sorry we cannot do because finally आमचे फुडले जनरेशन कितें करतले आमी फाल्यां काडून विकलें केलें ना केलें तर केलें आमचें फुडलें जनरेशन करतले कितें वॉट दे वील डू वेर दे वील गो कित्याक जागेचे जागे जायना युअर लँड कॅनॉट बी प्रोडक्शन ऑफ लँड जायना सो वी हॅव टू टेक केअर अँड मे एन्श्योर दॅट आवर गोवन्स आवर पीपल ओवर हियर गो आर टोटली सेक्युअर्ड फॉर पर्सनॅलिटी अँड फॉर फ्युचर सो दॅट इज माय व्यू अँड इज माय मत अँड दॅट इज माय प्रिन्सिपल अँड आय एम स्ट्रॉंगली ऑफ दॅट ओपिनियन दिस शुड ऑल द MLAs, ministers and all the elected representatives should have this in their system and in their blood.